Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my productivity using MeLE Speedy Stick PCG02 Pro for a whole week. Can this little device really help me get more done? I'm always on the lookout for ways to get more done in less time, and I'm sure you are too. We've all been there, juggling multiple tasks, deadlines looming, and our trusty PC just isn't keeping up. That's why I'm excited to share with you this game-changing tool that could be the answer to our productivity prayers. Traditional PCs can be a real pain when it comes to getting work done on the go. They're often bulky and heavy, making them a nightmare to carry around. And when you're stuck with a laptop that's just too slow, it can be frustrating. I've lost count of how many times I've struggled to get work done because my computer just couldn't keep up. And let's not forget about space constraints. Sometimes you just need a computer that won't take up too much room on your desk. These traditional PCs can be a real hindrance to productivity. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, without being weighed down by a clunky computer. It's a tantalizing prospect, right? But what about when you're working in a coffee shop or co-working space, and you just don't have the room for a big PC? That's where the MeLE Speedy Stick PCG02 Pro comes in. The MeLE Speedy Stick PCG02 Pro is a tiny powerhouse that's designed to tackle all your computing needs. With its impressive specs, we're talking Intel processor, plenty of RAM, and fast storage. This little stick PC can handle everything from browsing and email to video editing and software development. Plus, it's super portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to set up and use. One of the standout features of the Speedy Stick is its ability to breathe new life into any monitor or TV you have lying around. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to get work done without being tethered to a traditional PC. And with its compact size, you can easily stash it in a bag or backpack and take it with you on the go. So, let's see the Speedy Stick in action. I'm going to fire it up and show you just how quickly it can handle some pretty demanding tasks. From multiple browser tabs to video streaming and software development, I'm going to push this little PC to the limit. As you can see, it's handling all of this with ease. No slowdowns, no crashes, just pure, unadulterated productivity. The Speedy Stick's speed and efficiency are seriously impressive. I'm able to get work done without any interruptions or frustrating lag. It's amazing how much of a difference a device like this can make. And with its robust performance, you can easily tackle even the most resource-intensive tasks. In my testing, the Speedy Stick has been a revelation. I've been able to get so much more done in less time, and it's been a game changer for my productivity. If you're tired of being held back by a slow or clunky PC, then this little device could be just what you need. So, what can the MeLE Speedy Stick PCG02 Pro do for you? For me, it's been a productivity powerhouse that's helped me get more done in less time. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to get more done in their day, this little PC is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of compact PCs. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you use a traditional PC, or have you made the switch to something more portable? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more tech insights and reviews, be sure to check out my other videos. MeLE Fanless Mini PC Stick PCG02 Pro N5105 8GB/256GB, Wi-Fi 5 USB PD3.0, Microcomputer Desktop Dual HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet BT 5.1, Compact SFF on Business Office Industrial IoT Home. Brand MeLE. Operating System OS. CPU Model Celeron. CPU Speed 2.9 GHz. Graphics Card Description Integrated. Memory Storage Capacity 256 GB. Memory Slots Available 1. Specific uses for product: Zoom, Microsoft Office, email, web browsing, personal, home theater, multimedia, astrophotography, industrials, digital signage, business, IoT, school, hospital. Zoom, Microsoft Office, email, web browsing, personal, home theater, multimedia, astrophotography. Personal computer design type: stick PC. RAM memory installed size 8 GB. USB PD 3.0 enabled. MeLE PC Stick PCG02 Pro is the first PC stick with USB PD 3.0 technology, which can be powered by power bank, power station and any other power sources with an output voltage higher than 12 volts and an output power higher than 24 watts. Use your slim and portable small compute stick to stream, browse and multitask from anywhere, at any time with ease. Dual HDMI 2.0 ports and support dual display, more productive and effective than PCG02 computer stick. This PCG02 Pro model built-in 2x HDMI ports. They support output from two different or duplicate displays, allowing you to deal with multiple tasks and projects easily at the same time, and is ideal for visually homework also. Celeron N5105 CPU, powered by quad-core Gemini Lake N5105, 2.0 GHz base frequency, up to 2.9 GHz at burst. The portable stick computer offers a versatile alternative to conventional bulky desktop computers, is an affordable and ideal mini computer for home, office and work application. 8GB DDR4 256GB storage, the PCG02 Pro HDMI stick PC equipped with 8GB of 2933 MHz DDR4 RAM, 256GB stable EMMC, with a micro SD port support expanding up to 2 TB. Elegant fanless cooling design, this fanless PC features passive cooling system that prevents overheat. It provides a quiet and stable computing environment, supports 24/7 operation. While its unique design ensures dust resistance and silent operation, please note that fanless mini PCs will have a surface temperature of 55 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the case temperature of traditional fan-cooled mini PCs, but meets the safety standards of the International Electrotechnical IEC 62368-1-2018. Operating System OS. Specific uses for product: Zoom, Microsoft Office, email, web browsing, personal, home theater, multimedia, astrophotography, industrials, digital signage, business, IoT, school, hospital. Personal computer design type stick PC. Color black. Additional features: unlocked BIOS, Wake on LAN, PXE boot, RTC Wake, auto power on, low power, Wi-Fi 5. Hard disk description: EMMC. Hardware interface: USB 3.1 Type A, USB 3.1 Type C, HDMI. Power consumption: 6 watts. Item dimensions: 5.7 by 2.4 by 0.78 inches. Item weight: 182 grams. Video output: HDMI. Hard disk interface: USB 3.0. Style name: PC stick PCG02 Pro N5105. Cooling method: air. Compatible devices: mouse. Power plug type A, 2-pin. Total expansion slots quantity: 1. The MeLE Fanless Mini PC Stick, known as the PCG02 Pro, is an innovative and compact computing solution powered by the Intel Celeron N5105 processor, which boasts a base frequency of 2.0 GHz and can reach speeds of up to 2.9 GHz under load. Designed for a multitude of applications, including Zoom, Microsoft Office, email, web browsing, multimedia entertainment, and even astrological pursuits, this stick PC is a versatile choice for both personal and professional usage. It features 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 256GB of eMMC storage, ensuring smooth performance for various tasks, while also allowing the possibility of expansion via a microSD slot that supports cards up to 2 TB, albeit without SSD support due to the compact design constraints. The PCG02 Pro stands out in its category by offering dual HDMI 2.0 ports, enabling users to connect two separate displays for enhanced productivity and multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for both home office environments and digital signage applications. Notably, this device is equipped with the groundbreaking USB PD3.0 technology, allowing it to be powered by a range of devices such as power banks and stations, which opens up a new realm of mobility for users who need to compute on the go. Additionally, its elegant fanless design means it operates silently and maintains a stable computing environment while adhering to international safety standards, though users should be aware that its surface temperature can reach between 55 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius during use. Weighing only 182 grams and measuring just 5.7 by 2.4 by 0.78 inches, the MeLE PC Stick PCG02 Pro is an impressively portable solution, making it a fantastic choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful desktop experience in various settings, including offices, schools, hospitals, and homes. Equipped with the essential features of unlocked BIOS, Wake on LAN, PXE boot, and auto power on, it caters to a wide range of user needs, solidifying its place as a standout in the ever-evolving landscape of mini computers.